Welcome back, guys. Just want to give you guys another tip today that just came back from my trip with my girlfriend, and I had my car parked in a parking spot by the airport last night around like 11, 12ish in the evening, and I was pushing my remote. For some reason my car wasn't beeping, and all I know is that my battery dead for a week and you haven't started your car up, and it was cold over there somewhere around in LA. The car's been sitting way too long that it drained the battery. In dealerships, they could be sitting in the parking lot for about a month and you have to check the battery. Whether if it's a good battery or a bad battery, you still want to test your battery if it's still good or not.